A soft contact lens essentially molds itself to the cornea and makes a refractive change so you can get a correction. A more rigid contact lens, like a scleral lens, rigid gas permeable lens, what they essentially do is they vault a corneal irregularity by creating a new artificial surface, and the difference in the irregularity is filled in with tears. So it's like a tear sandwich. And by creating a new artificial front surface, that is what causes the vision to improve. What we try to do with laser reconstruction is the same thing. We try to change the anterior corneal surface with selective reconstructive laser to make it more uniform so you can see better. And so in patients that we actually do primary LASIK corrections on, that actually makes the cornea better than human normal and gets close to the best vision that eye can achieve. In people we're repairing, we're trying to restore vision back to normal vision, and like they would put a scleral lens in their eye.